Over 70% of gas in the US does not have enough detergents to keep engines clean. That is why hundreds of thousands of vehicles end up with clogged injectors, weak idle, rough acceleration, and surprise repair bills. You do not need fancy fuel. You just need clean fuel. Avoid these 11 brands if you want your engine to last. At the end, I will tell you the 5 fuels that actually protect your car. Number 11, Safeway. Cheap fuel looks good at the pump until your car starts idling rough a week later. Safeway often misses the detergent levels recommended by automakers. That means faster carbon buildup, sticky valves, soot on plugs, and sluggish throttle response. You save pennies up front and hand it back later in repairs. Number 10, 7-Eleven. Big name, inconsistent fuel. They buy from whoever offers the lowest price locally, so quality swings wildly. One fill-up can be fine. The next can feel like your car suddenly aged 10 years. Reports of excess ethanol, sediment, and even water contamination are not rare. Save $1, risk a misfire. Number 9, Sam's Club. Volume over quality. Their fuel comes from mixed local suppliers and it shows. Some tanks test clean, others are cloudy or stale. No top-tier certification and weak detergents mean faster deposits and cranky cold starts. Cheap gas only helps if it does not choke your injectors. Number 8. Circle K looks polished, but the fuel is whatever blend they could buy cheapest that week. I have seen engines running this stuff for months, end up with gummy injectors and carbon on pistons. Several stations have been caught with water in storage tanks. When fuel turns into guesswork, your engine pays. Number 7, Murphy USA. Usually next to Walmart, built around low prices, not clean fuel. Their additive levels often sit below recommended standards, and ethanol percentages fluctuate too much. That throws off fuel trims and leaves buildup behind. Plenty of drivers blame age when the real issue is dirty fuel. Number 6, Speedway. Looks like a solid chain, but many locations only meet minimum federal requirements. That means weak detergents, faster sludge, and rough idle over time. Rain-related contamination incidents have also happened. Reliability starts at the pump, not the logo. Number 5, Love's. Convenient for road trips, but convenience does not equal clean. Large networks mean some tanks get neglected, and several locations have been flagged for contamination and microbial growth. Cloudy fuel, clogged filters, and stalling after fill-ups are common complaints on long hauls. Number 4, Amoco. Nostalgic name, average fuel. Since coming back under BP, the detergent quality has not matched top-tier leaders. Some stations have older storage systems that can allow moisture in. Sounds classic, performs like budget fuel. Number 3, Pilot Flying J. Known for a major fuel scandal and still carries a reputation for inconsistent quality. Many drivers report knocking and hesitation after filling up at busy travel centers, especially diesel trucks. When you move huge volume, cutting corners hurts real fast. Number 2, Sunoco Regular Grade. Racing name, regular fuel that does not match the hype. Their performance blends are good, but the everyday pump grade falls short. Frequent reports of low detergents and off-spec ethanol blends. Dirty valves and mild knocking are common for long-term users. Number 1, Shady discount suppliers. Small, no-name fuel distributors have been caught selling contaminated and even waste-blended fuel. When companies cut fuel with industrial junk, engines die fast. If the station looks neglected, skip it. Cheap gasoline is not a bargain when it melts injectors. Now the good news. These 5 fuels consistently keep engines cleaner and running longer. They cost a bit more per gallon, but you save money by not rebuilding your fuel system later. Number 5, Chevron with Techron. Strong cleaning formula. Helps remove existing carbon, not just prevent it. Engines that run this long-term stay cleaner than average. Number 4, Shell. Their nitrogen-enriched cleaning system coats metal parts and reduces buildup. Smooth idle, strong throttle, and reliable quality across stations. Number 3, ExxonMobil. Their Synergy blend uses a consistent detergent package in every grade. Solid protection, reliable burn, fewer long-term deposits. Number 2, Costco. Warehouse pricing with top-tier standards. Fresh fuel turnover and clean tanks. One of the best values for real detergent content. Number 1, BP Ultimate. Premium blend with aggressive cleaning additives. Helps restore performance on engines that ran cheap fuel before. Great for long-term engine health, bottom line. Good gas keeps your engine breathing clean. You do not need premium horsepower promises. You need real detergents. Pick the brands that care about what goes in the tank, not just the price on the sign.